Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a power share on the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e. And of course the feature that's known as Wireless PowerShare allows you to wirelessly charge devices on the back of the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and other similar devices. So of course it's almost like a wireless charging pad, and it's great for charging small devices such as your Samsung earbuds and of course any other small device. It could even use to top up another phone that has wireless power charging features. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Now of course, to demonstrate this, I'll have the Samsung Galaxy S10, and of course right here I have the latest Samsung earbuds, and of course this is just in a case. So inside of here I have my wireless earbuds. So what I'm going to do here, there's a LED on here that indicates when it's charging. It's now inside of the case, and what I'm going to do here is to show you. So just go ahead and swipe down from the top of the screen. Once you swipe down, just go ahead and swipe down again. And of course, once you swipe down, there's a feature in here that says Wireless PowerShare. It's indicated by a battery with the power or a arrow pointing out, indicating that it will share power. So just go ahead and tap. Once you tap, it will say here that you can connect your devices such as your watch and so on. And it says ready, put the device on the back. So as you can see here, I'm going to place this on the back. And of course, once we do that, you're going to see that the device is charging. Alright guys, so I had to make a slight modification. So what I've done is I've removed the case. It's best if you do not have a case on the wireless earpods, and of course the Samsung wireless earpods. And of course it's okay for certain cases that support charging throughout the casing. So what I'm going to do here again, we're going to attempt this time. So do reminded that you may need to remove your device from its case. So let's go again. And I think the device was disconnected. It says no device connected. So what we're going to do again, we're going to go ahead, we're going to turn this on. And of course, once it's turned on, we're going to take the device and place it towards the center here. And there you go. And as you can see here, it does say charging right now. I'm just going to hold this. Let's wake up this device. And of course, as you can see here, it says device connected. It says charging the connected device. All right, so charging the connected device indicated that the wireless power share is working. You know with the Samsung earbuds that it's working because you do see the red LED indicates charging. Do reminded that if you have on a case, these do not, or all of them do not support wireless charging or wireless power share on devices. But of course my case supports it, so the case is not a problem. But of course additional bulky casings such as this one does not support it, so you may have to remove your external casing if you actually have one. Alright, so that's it guys, and this is how to power share on the devices such as the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and so on. Alright, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye guys.